My dear student, I Mohan Kumar in class 8, subject math, chapter 14, polygon. What is the meaning of polygon? Poly means many, gon means side. Many sided figure. This polygon. There are many types of polygon here: regular polygon, irregular polygon, convex polygon, and concave polygon. Regular polygon. Regular polygon, a polygon whose all sides are equal. All sides are equal. And each angle also equal. This is called the regular polygon. Irregular polygon, not sides are equal. No sides are equal. And convex polygon. A polygon, one angle is greater than 180. They are convex polygon. Convex polygon. A polygon is one angle is greater than 180. Reflex angle. This is called the concave. Here concave polygon. And convex polygon. Convex polygon, a polygon, and which is the angle less than 180. Each angle less than 180. The one angle is this is called the reflex angle. Here AOD is the reflex angle. The greater than 180. And regular polygon, all sides equal. And regular polygon find the number of sides. Here number of sides. Here four-sided figure is called the quadrilateral. Three-sided figure is triangle. Five side is called the pentagon. Six side the hexagon. Seven side the heptagon. Nine side the nonagon. Eight side the octagon. Many sided figure is called the polygon. Regular polygon and irregular polygon. And find the number of sides, number of angles, and number of diagonal in a polygon. Either some formula. If the number of diagonal n sided polygon equal to n into n minus 3 by 2. And total interior angle sum formula 2n minus 4 into 90. And each angle of polygon here 2n minus 4 into 90 degree by n. N is the number of sides. Find each number of angles. And exterior angle, all side of polygon, total exterior angle sum 360. Each number of side, each interior angle here 360 degree by 8. Each exterior angle, 360 by 8. Here heptagon, number of divide. Here pentagon, number of 5 divide. Find the number of side in a polygon. The exterior angle are given. Total exterior angle sum any polygon 360. 360. Find the number of diagonal in a pentagon. Penta means 5. Number of diagonal formula. Number of diagonal equal to n into n minus 3 by 2. Here penta means 5 into 5 minus 3 by 2. Here 5 into 2 by 2. Can see. How many diagonals? 5 diagonals. Find the total number of interior angle. Find the total sum of interior angle of a pentagon. Penta means 5. Total interior angle sum. Right? Your solution, total interior angle sum. Yeah, 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. Yeah, 2 into n, number of side 2 into 5 minus 4 into 90. 5 to 10, 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 into 90 degree. Here 6 into 90. Here 540 degree. Total interior angle sum. Find the measure of each interior angle of a regular polygon, hexagon and pentagon. Hexa means side 6. Penta means 5. The formula, each interior angle, here 2n minus 4 into 90 degree by n. How many side? Hexa means 6. Here 2 into 6 minus 4 into 90 degree by 6. Here 6 to the 12, 12 minus 4, 8 into 90 by 6. Here 15, 6 and 90. Here 120 degree. Each angle 120 degree. The pentagon, each angle, here 2n minus 4 into 90 by n. Here n, penta means 5. You 2 into 5 minus 4 into 90 by 5. Here 5 to 10, 10 minus 4. Here 6 into 90 degree by 5. Here 18. 183 each angle. Understood? And you can solve the exercise 14a and 14b. And the sum problem you asked me. And the next video, the next chapter is started. Thank you.